Financial markets are a bit on edge today. The Federal Reserve is planning to have a very important meeting about their policies moving forward for bond purchases, for inflation, and a couple of other things that could have big impacts on the crypto market and on the stock market. So today we're just going to go over everything going on with the markets, and if you enjoy this sort of short form, concise video about what's going on in the market, let me know by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Anyways, right now the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.13 trillion market cap. We're seeing Bitcoin right at $47,000 per coin, Ethereum right at $3,700 per coin. And the interesting thing here is that we have seen that a lot of uncertainty is in the market right now because of the Federal Reserve's decision, and many people are expecting that the Federal Reserve is going to reduce the pace of buying back bonds, that they're going to increase inflation, and this has led to a bit of a sell-off in the market over the last couple of weeks. The central bank is already expected to announce a $30 billion reduction in asset purchases starting January, and that they are also going to be having 2 rate hikes in 2022. So what this means for crypto is that a lot of this, and for the stock market, a lot of this has already been factored into the market, which is a good thing. We have seen that crypto has fallen over the last couple of weeks. We have seen that the stock market, especially these tech stocks, have fallen. So the probability for a deeper sell-off after this meeting is relatively low for crypto unless the central bank hints at something that we weren't expecting, because everyone is already expecting 2 interest rate hikes. Everyone's already expecting a reduction in this bond purchase program. So because of this, unless we see something more drastic than that, we shouldn't see very much negative news and negative impacts on the market, because people have already de-risked their portfolios. We've already seen selling take place. So we shouldn't see very big negative impacts or big sell-offs as a result of this, unless there is some sort of surprise in the market. Right now, what we're seeing is that actually the markets are looking very similar, almost identical to what we saw in September of 2021, right before we saw the rally. When you look at TechDev on Twitter, he shows the 4-hour charts in September versus the 4-hour charts in December right now. And what we can see is that these patterns are nearly identical to each other. Back in September, we saw Bitcoin's price right around $41,000 to $44,000 per coin. And we look at the charts, we look at the RSI, everything is lining up nearly identical. And the interesting thing here is what he points out is that right now it's the day where the Federal Reserve is having this big meeting with Jerome Powell, coming out with all of these decisions, and this could be the exact catalyst that we need to push the market back up. So if things are a little bit less, like we don't see as many interest rate hikes, if we don't see as drastic of a change in the bond purchase program, well, we could see the crypto markets explode back up to $50,000 per coin and start rallying yet again, like many people were expecting at the end of 2021. Right now, what we have to keep in mind, though, is that when you look at the bull market, this bull market, people are worried because Bitcoin's price has come down about 30 to 40% from that $69,000 per coin range. But the thing we have to remember is that in a bull market for crypto, we always see, not like we should see, we always have seen multiple 30% or more corrections. In 2017, we saw just about 30% more corrections during the bull market. Once the bull market ended, we saw the top of the market, we saw an 80% correction, but throughout the entire market, throughout the entire rally, we saw 6 to 8 30% corrections or more in each of the last bull markets. So anyone who's getting worried right now, we're really not in a bad position. More institutions are involved in crypto than ever before. We've already seen a lot of this fear factored into the market with the recent sell-off. Things are really not looking bad at all right now. Now is the time to be adding to positions, especially with what's going on, because all it takes is one little announcement from Jerome Powell that's going to cause the market to really rally. Negative news isn't going to have too much of an impact on the market because we already have strong supports at $40,000 per coin. The lowest we would see Bitcoin's price go is really around that $40,000, $41,000 per coin range. So not much to be too concerned about there. Last couple of things is with coin market cap. There was a big bug on coin market cap the other day, which affected Coinbase, a number of platforms, and what it showed was that Bitcoin's price was at $789 billion per coin. It showed that Ethereum was at $9 billion per coin. There was this major glitch. Everyone thought that they had made so much money. There was like ridiculous numbers all across people's portfolios. And this isn't the first time it's happened, but it's something just to keep an eye out on because this was a major glitch. And when this happened, it was interesting because we actually saw the crypto market and Bitcoin's price actually start to rally higher because most of the day we had seen Bitcoin and the crypto market was falling. But as soon as this glitch happened, we actually saw prices start to rally. So anyways, a couple of interesting things going on in the market. The most important thing is going to be this Federal Reserve meeting at 2 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday, December 15th. We're going to see Jerome Powell talk at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, and that is going to be exactly when we see whether or not the crypto market is going to break down to 41K or if we're going to see it start rallying back higher, break above 50K per coin. So anyways, that's what's going on in the market. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.